Hello guys, very good evening to all of you. This is Suyash Goyal signing in. I hope that you all are doing great and having a great Sunday going on till now. I welcome you all in this session that we are going to have today, and the topic that we have for today's session is this. So basically, this is what we will be discussing guys in today's session. Okay, so the session is gonna be on what? The session is gonna be on the revision of coordinate geometry for class 10 students that we will be having over here. Okay, so this is the session for 10 students in which we will be having a quick revision of coordinate geometry. We will be talking about the concepts that we have in coordinate geometry, and along with that we'll be talking about the questions which are basically your previous year questions. Okay, there are going to be some previous year questions that we will be taking up for class 10th students out there. Everyone clear with this guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Got it? Okay, so this is what we are going to do in this particular session. All the students out there who can hear me, could you please respond? Everyone, if you are there, if you can hear me, it would be great if you can respond. All of you guys, everyone, please respond, say a hi or anything. Okay, so this is what we will be doing, and a short snip about myself guys, as you can see over here. So my name is Suyash Goyal. I'm an engineer by profession, teacher by heart, and I have more than 1,40,000 followers on Unacademy, and I've been teaching mathematics to class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th students. This is the Telegram channel that I'm having. You all can join this channel. Okay, ये channel आप सब के सब join कर सकते हो. Okay, it's Suyash _ CBSE _ Unacademy. You all can join this channel. On joining this channel, you all will be able to do what? You all will be able to get all the updates. आपको सारे updates मेरे आने वाले सारे free classes के मिलते रहेंगे. Apart from that, you will be getting all the updates of my plus courses that we have on Unacademy, and you will get all the updates of all my YouTube sessions that you will be having on Unacademy. Okay, तो इन सभी चीज़ों का updates जो है आपको मिलता रहेगा if you just connect with me on this particular channel that you are having over here. Now let's quickly get started and let's quickly talk about what we are here for. Okay guys, so one important announcement. As you all can see over here, this is a code. इस code को आप use कर सकते हो कैसे कब कहाँ, let me tell you. So all the students who can hear me right now guys, you all can use this code SUYASHLIVE. Okay, you all can use this code SUYASHLIVE whenever you download Unacademy learning application. जब भी आप Unacademy का learning application download करेंगे, okay, you can simply use this code that is SUYASHLIVE and you will be able to unlock, इसको use करके you will be able to unlock all the free content that we have on Unacademy. Unacademy पर जितना भी free content available है for you, आप वो सब unlock कर सकते हैं. So the point to understand over here is, देखो जिस तरीके से YouTube पर हमारी free classes हो रही हैं, होती हैं, उसी तरीके से you can actually attend free classes without any cost, without any money. You can attend so many free classes on maths, on science, physics, chemistry, bio in particular, on Hindi, English, social science, any other subject, computers. You can attend all these free classes by me and by other educators on Unacademy learning application as well. वो करने के लिए आपने क्या करना होगा? First you will have to download the Unacademy learning application, and once you have downloaded, then what you can do, you can simply unlock the free content. Okay, जो भी आपकी क्लास है उसको select करने के बाद आप उस क्लास के लिए जितना भी free content Unacademy पर है वो सब unlock कर सकते हो. And to unlock that, you will need to use my code SUYASHLIVE. Okay, इस कोड को यूज करके you will be able to unlock all the free content that includes the free special classes that I have taken and others have taken. Apart from that, you can also do what? You can also watch all the other classes that we have, the free courses that we have, वो भी आप देख सकते हो, right? So all this you can cover by just using my code for free. Okay, now let's proceed forward guys, and let's talk about the topic that we are having for today, coordinate geometry. Okay, So very quickly, I would like to ask all of you guys, how many of you have already covered this chapter and how many of you are here who is going through this chapter for the first time? Everyone guys, please respond. Very simple chapter that we have over here, coordinate geometry. I would like to start with a very simple concept that we have. So let's assume that this is the Cartesian system that you are having. This is your y-axis. This is your x-axis. This is the origin that you are talking about. Now what I'm saying, if I'm having any 2 points over here with this, as you can see, this is, let's say, my point x1, y1, and this is, let's say, my point x2, y2. Okay, if I'm talking about the distance d between these 2 points, if I'm talking about what, if I'm talking about the distance d between these 2 points, guys, so the distance d between these 2 points will be defined as under root of what? Focus. You will be having under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, and then you will be having plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Are you clear with this, guys? You got it? This is how you can define the distance whenever you are talking about the distance between any 2 points which are there in the Cartesian system. Now, even if you talk about some examples for this, so let's assume that you are having 2 points over here. Okay, you are having your point A, which is defined as 2, 3, and you are having your point B, which is defined as minus of 4, minus of 5. If you want to find what, guys, if you want to find out the distance AB over here, what will that be? Distance AB between these 2 points A and B will be defined as, please focus, it will be root of x2 minus x1, which means minus 4 minus of 2 whole square. Hello Charu, how are you? Plus you will be having y2 minus y1 minus of 5 minus of 3 whole square. Are you clear with this, guys? This is how you can define the distance. Are you clear with this, Charu? Now, this will give you what? This will be giving you AB is equal to, please focus, under root will remain as it is. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 square, plus you are having minus of 8 square. Are you clear with this, everyone? You getting it? Let's solve it. This will simply give you what? Under root of, you are having 36 from here plus 64 from here, and this will simply give you root of 100, and hence the distance AB will be coming out as 10 units. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? You got the point? Are you clear with this, right? So this is how what you can do. This is how you can find out the distance between any 2 points A and B whose coordinates are given to you, coordinate of A being 2, 3 and the coordinates of B being minus 4, minus 5. Everyone clear with this till here? Okay, let's proceed forward. Now, the second thing that you need to note over here is, abhi maan lo that if I'm talking about any scenario over here in which I'm fixing one point as the origin, so this is the first point 0, 0. Okay, I have fixed one point over here as the origin 0, 0. Another point I'm talking about over here, this is my point A and this is having the coordinate x, y. If I am talking about the distance between them, तो आपको समझना होगा कि यहाँ पर मेरा x1, y1, x और y है और x2, y2 are 0, 0. So if you find out the distance OA, what will that be? समझो, it will be nothing but x1, that is x, minus x2, that is 0 whole square, and then you will be having plus y1, that is y minus 0 whole square, and from here your OA will be coming out as under root of x square plus y square. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? You got it? Do you understand that? Are you clear? So now when you will be finding out what? When you will be finding out this OA for you, OA will be what? The length OA will be equal to under root of x square plus y square, and that is why what we say, that is why we say that the distance, इसीलिए हम लिखते हैं, please write it down, distance of any point, distance of any point which is of the form, hello Priya, how are you? Distance of any point x, y from what? Distance of any point x, y from origin is defined as what? From origin it is defined as under root of x square plus y square. Are you clear with this, guys? You got it? Hello Priya, how are you? Okay, so whenever you are talking about the distance of any point x, y from the origin, that will be defined as root of x square plus y square. Clear? Hello Arya, how are you? Now moving forward, guys, if we take some example over here, so let's say I'm having any point A minus 3 comma minus 4, and I want to find out the distance of this point from what? I want to find out the distance of this point from origin. What will that be, guys? क्या होगा distance? अगर मुझे इसका डिस्टेंस ओरिजिन से फाइंड करना है तो अगेन वही कहानी, ओ ए विल बी डिफाइंड एज व्हाट? अंडर रूट ऑफ इसका स्क्वायर माइनस 3 स्क्वायर, then you are having plus iska square minus 4 square. This will give you what? Under root of, you are having 9 plus 16, and that will be under root of 25, and that is going to be 5 units. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? You got it? Do you understand that? All the students out there, are you clear with this or not? Okay, so the distance OA that you are looking forward to, the distance OA will be coming out as 5 units from here. इस तरीके से we can talk about this particular कहानी that we are having over here. Got it? Clear? Let's talk about some questions based on the distance formula, guys, that appeared in your examination previously. देखते हैं जरा कुछ क्वेश्चन जो आपके एग्जाम में आ चुके हैं. देखो, तो एक क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आया in 2007 में क्वेश्चन आया, and what was the question? Question was find a point. Question was find a point on y-axis which is equidistant. I repeat, find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from what? Which is equidistant from the point A, that is 6 comma 5, and from the point B, that is minus 4 comma 3. I repeat, I want to find a point on y-axis. My point is on y-axis which is equidistant from the point A and B. ये 2017 में है. सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताओ कि अगर कोई भी पॉइंट y-axis पर लाई कर रहा है, if there is any point that is lying on the y-axis, which coordinate of this point P will be 0? इस P point का कौन सा coordinate 0 होगा? If this point P is lying on the y-axis, if this point P is lying on the y-axis, then which coordinate for this point P will be 0? You can clearly see क्योंकि ये y पे lie कर रहा है तो इसका x 0 होगा, and you will be having 0 comma y as the point. Are you clear? Okay, the x coordinate for this point will be 0. Got it? तो यानी कि आपके पास जो point है, that is basically of the form point P that is having coordinate 0 comma y, and now you are saying that this point P is equidistant from A and B, which means AP is equal to BP. Are you clear? AP is equal to BP. Are you clear? You have been given that AP is equal to BP. Are you clear with this? Arya, Priya, Charu, clear? ठीक है? Yes, exactly correct. Now, moving forward, when you are talking about this, AP is what? देखो, AP होगा distance between A and P. So that is going to be under root of x minus x1, that is 0 minus 6, that is minus of 6 ka square, and then you will be having plus y minus of 5 ka square. This is equal to what? BP. BP is nothing but you are having x1 minus x2, 0 minus of minus 4, that is 4 ka square, and plus you will be having y minus 3 ka square. Are you clear? This is what you have. Now you can simply do the squaring both the sides. When you square both the sides, root will be removed. यहाँ का root हट जाएगा, यहाँ का root हट जाएगा, and you will be having 36 plus y minus 5 का whole square over here is equal to 16 plus y minus 3 ka whole square over here. Are you clear with this, guys? You got it? Do you understand that? This will give you what? देखो, यहाँ से you will be getting 36 minus 16, that is 20, and 20 is equal to what? Focus, guys, y minus 3 का whole square minus of y minus 5 का whole square. Are you clear? You getting it? And यहाँ से आपके पास आएगा 20 is equal to what? Please focus. 20 is equal to y minus 3 का whole square, y square, plus you are having 9, then you have minus of 6y, then you are having minus of y square, minus of 25 plus of 10 of y. ये आपके पास आया. इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, क्वेश्चन का आंसर आ जाएगा. This is gone. Okay, so finally you are having 20 minus 9 plus 25 is equal to 4 of y, which means 4y is equal to what? 25 plus 20 is 45 minus 9, 36. From here y will be coming out as 9. जब y 9 आया तो point क्या आ जाएगा? Point P will be 0, y. So it's gonna be point P 0, 9. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? You got it? Do you understand that? All the students out there, guys, फटाफट से बोलो समझ में आती है बात या नहीं? Are you clear with this till here? Okay. So this kind of question could come in your exam like based on this. इसी तरीके से we have one more question. एक और question देखते हैं. अगला जो question है that came in your 2009 में आया and then it also came in 2017. दोनों year में आया हुआ question है. क्या बोल रहा है question? Find the point on x-axis. So this time point कहाँ पर है? This time the point is on x-axis. Clear? Priya? This time the point is on x-axis and the question says that the point P that I am talking about over here, जो point P है, this point P is at equal distance. Okay, it is equidistant from what? It is equidistant from the point A, that is 2, -5, and it is equidistant from the point B, that is what? B point is minus of 2, 9. Okay, इन दोनों point से जो आपका point P है वो क्या है? Equal distance पर है. Got it? Now when you are talking about this, guys, again the same kahani. Can you tell me अगर point x-axis पर lie कर रहा है? Very good, Priya. So the point is lying on x-axis. That is why the coordinates of the point will be of the form x, 0, y coordinate 0 होगा. Okay, and बस खत्म कहानी. This point P is x, 0. अब आपने कुछ नहीं करना. You just need to say that AP is given to you equal to BP. What is AP? AP is nothing but root of focus, root of x minus 2 ka whole square, and plus you are having what? You are having 0 minus of -5, 0 plus 5 ka whole square is equal to, what is BP? BP is nothing but under root of, again focus, x minus of -2, x plus 2 ka whole square. And then you are having what? Then you are having plus y minus 9 ka whole square. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? You got it? Squaring both the sides will give you x square plus 4 minus of 4x plus 25 is equal to x square plus 4, then you are having plus of 4x plus y square plus 81 minus of 18 into y. इसको solve कर लेते हैं. x square gone. अच्छा, we did a mistake over here, right? ये y minus 9 कहाँ से आया? It has to be 0 minus 9, right? It has to be 0 minus 9. ये 0 minus 9 होगा और ये पूरा change होगा. Okay. So over here, if you see, when I'm talking about this point and this point, x minus of -2 and then 0 minus 9. So 0 minus 9 is this. And that is going to be 81 over here. ठीक है. अभी this is gone. If you see, you will be having 29 minus of 81 minus of 4 is equal to 4x plus 4s, that is 8x. यहाँ से you will be getting 8 of x is equal to, देखो, minus 85, and minus 85 plus 29 will be what? Minus 75 minus 65 minus 55 minus 56. Okay, so it's gonna be minus of 56, and यहाँ से your x will be coming out as what? X कितना आएगा, guys? Tell me. Your x will be coming out as what? 8 5s are 40, 48, 8 7s are 56. X came out with -7. तो जो आपका point P है, that point P is nothing but -7, 0. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? You got it? Come on, everyone, please respond. Clear है या नहीं? You got the point? Okay. So this is how we can talk about this question, which actually came in your exam as well. Now, let's talk about some more questions. Like you can get a question like this in which the question says what we need to show. हमें क्या show करना है? Is that clear to you, Priya? Now I need to show this question came in year 2006. What the question is saying? Question saying that we need to prove that the points 1, -1, 5, 2, and 9, 5. I want to show that these points are what? These points are collinear. मुझे show करना है कि ये points क्या हैं? ये points collinear है. I repeat, I want to show that the points 1, -1, 5, 2, and 9, 5, these 3 points are collinear. देखो, Assuming that these points are being represented by A, B and C. Assuming that these points are being represented by A, B and C. If I am saying कि ये 3 points collinear है, if this is A, then this will be B and this will be C. अगर collinear है तो ये situation होगा. And if these points are collinear, then for sure AB plus BC will be what? AB plus BC will be equal to AC. Are you clear? If these 3 points are collinear, अगर ये 3 points collinear है, then for sure AB plus BC will be equal to AC. Okay, now let's find out AB from here. If you find out the length of AB, that will be what? Under root of 1 minus 5 whole square, that is minus of 4 ka square, and then you are having plus of minus 1 minus 2 square. Okay, this will give you what? This will simply give you under root of, you are having 16 plus you are having 3 ka square, that is 9, and that will be coming out as 5, right? So AB came out as what? AB came out as 5. Talking about the next one, that is BC. What is BC? BC is nothing but under root of, you are having 9 minus 5, that is 4 square, then you are having plus 5 minus 2, 3 square. It again came out as what? Root of 25, that will be equal to 5, right? So your BC again came out as what? Your BC again came out as 5. Now, if you are talking about AC over here, what is AC? AC is nothing but under root of, focus guys, that will be 9 minus 1, 8 square, plus you are having 5 minus of minus 1, that is 6 square, and that will be nothing but root of 100, which will come out as 10. And because you can clearly see that your AB plus BC is what? It is equal to AC. That is why what you can say, क्योंकि AB plus BC AC के equal है, because 5 plus 5, yes, it is 10. That is why you can say, guys, that yes, these 3 points A, B and C are what? These 3 points are collinear. Are you clear with this, everyone, guys? All the students who can hear me right now, please respond. All of you clear? Everyone out there, guys, all the students who can hear me right now, if I'm audible to you, please respond. Are we clear with this or not? You getting it till here? Everyone clear with this? Okay, that's how we can talk about this. Let's take one more question like this, which is a good one. Dekho, next question came in what? Next question came in your 2014. ये जो क्वेश्चन था ये आपका 2014 में आया हुआ है. ओके, इट केम इन 2014. क्वेश्चन इज, you are having point A as minus 1 comma y and you are having point B as 5 comma 7. This is what is given to you, and these 2 points are lying in a circle whose center is given to you as what? The center is O and this center is 2 comma minus of 3y. Okay, this is the center O that you are having. I repeat, you have been given point A minus 1y, point B 5, 7, and it is lying on the circle with center O, that is 2 comma minus 3y. You just need to find out the values of y. Very simple question, guys. So this is the circle that you are having over here, right? When I'm talking about this circle, I am saying that this is the center of the circle O, and this is my point A, and this is my point B lying on the circle. When this is my point A, which is over here, I can clearly see that A point is minus 1 comma y, and this is my point B, which is 5 comma 7. This is my point O, that is 2 comma minus of 3y. Now guys, if you see, because OA and OB are the radius, so I can say that OA will be equal to OB. Everyone clear? Can I say this or not? The value of OA is equal to what? The value of OA is exactly equal to OB. When OA is equal to OB, let's find out OA. जब ये equal है तो इनके squares भी equal होंगे, yes or no? Let's find out OA square. OA square is nothing but the distance between them, उसका square. So it will be 2 minus of minus 1, 3 का square. Then minus 3y minus of y, that will be what? Minus 3y minus of y is minus of 4y ka square is equal to OB square is what, guys? OB square will be equal to 2 minus 5 minus of 3 ka square, and then you will be having plus minus 3y minus of 7. So let me write it over here, minus 3y minus of 7 ka square. When you open this, what you will be getting, this is 9 plus you are having 16y square. Then you have what is equal to, this is 9, and then you are having 9y square plus of 49, and then you are having what, plus of 7 3s are 21, 42y. This is what you have. Clear? You getting it, guys? Yes or no? All of you please respond. यहाँ तक clear है? 9 and 9 cancelled, and आपके पास अब बचता है 9y square, then 16y square over here, that will be 42 minus 16, 26. So you are having plus of 26y, and then you are having plus of 49 is equal to 0. This is what you got. When you have got this, when you are talking about this, what will be the next kahani that you will be having? 9y square plus 26y plus 49 is equal to 0. Now you will be doing the factorization. When you do the factorization, guys, what you will be getting over here in total? Have we done a particular mistake over here? 3y plus 7, that's cool, that's correct. Okay, that is 9, 16y square, that's correct. It's 7y square. Okay, so 16 minus 9 is gonna be 7. जिसको हमने 9 लिख दिया है. This is 7. Then you are having 42y, so it's gonna be what? Okay, that will remain as it is. You will not be cancelling it, and then 49. Okay, so if you focus over here, this is 7y square, 16 minus 9, and then if you see what you are having, 42y will be as it is, and then you are having plus 49 over here. Cool. If you take common, this will give you what? This will simply give you y square. Then you are having plus 7 6 are 42, 6y. Then you are having plus 7 7s are 49. This is what you are having. Y square plus 6y plus 7 equal to 0. Right? So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but y square plus 6y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is what you have. Now, moving forward, what you can do, guys, you can simply factorize it. This will be giving you 6y square plus 6y over here, plus 7y over here minus y plus 7 equal to 0. From here, you can take y common. This will be y plus 7. Then you have minus 1 common. Again, you take what? You see what you are having over here. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? Getting it or not, guys? Please tell me. Everyone clear with this? So y plus 7, when you took minus common, it will be y minus 7, I guess. 7y minus y, it's going to be minus of 7. We are doing a mistake over here. It has to be this. Cool, got it. Okay, guys, focus over here. When you do this, 16 minus 9y square, yahin pe humne गड़बड़ी करा है, that will be with a negative sign, right? So this is what we have done over here, minus. This will also be negative sign, and अब आ जाओ यहाँ पर. This will give you what? Y square minus of 6y minus of 7 is equal to 0. Now you can do what you are looking forward to. Y square minus 7y plus of y minus 7 is equal to 0. Y common, it will be y minus 7 plus 1 common, it will be y minus 7 is equal to 0. From here you will be getting what? Y minus 7 into you are having y plus 1 is equal to 0. And this will give you what? Hello Ashutosh, how are you? This will simply give you y is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus of 1. Okay, so the value of y could be what? The value of y could be either 7 or it could be minus 1. जो आपने y का value निकाला वो या तो क्या होगा? Either it will be 7 or it will be minus 1 that you are having over here. Are you clear? Hello Ashutosh, clear guys? Now let's quickly proceed to the next concept that we have, and the next concept that we talk about is the section formula. Okay guys, what is section formula and how do we talk about it? When we are talking about section formula, guys, what do we say? if there is any line over here like this that you can see, this is your point A, this is your point B. Let's say your point A is having the coordinate x1, y1, and your point B is having the coordinate x2, y2. If this is what you are having, and if this is the point that you have as P with the points x comma y, and this is your m is to n ratio. मान लो that AP ratio BP is what? AP ratio BP is given to you as m ratio n. This is given to you in the question, right? So when AP ratio BP is m is to n, and the coordinates of A are x1 comma y1, and the coordinates of B are x2 comma y2, and the coordinates of the point of division P is x comma y, then you can say that this x and y will be equal to what? X will be equal to, focus, x will be equal to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. And in the same way, y will be equal to what? In the same way, y will be equal to m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? Okay, so if you are talking about the coordinates of your x and y, this is how it will be defined. Okay, this is how what you can do. This is how you can find out the coordinates of your point P, which is dividing it in the ratio what? Which is dividing it in the ratio of m is to n. Now we do some questions based on this. जैसे कि we are having a question over here, समझो. I'm having 2 points. My point A is what? My point A is 6,3. This is 6,3. And I'm having point B, which is what? My point B is minus of 4,5. And I'm having a point of division P over here. And I'm saying that this is being divided as 3:2. Okay. So your AP ratio BP is what? AP ratio BP is 3:2 given to you. आपने क्या फाइंड करना है? आपने अपने P पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करने हैं x, y. कैसे करोगे? अगेन द सेम कहानी. You will be saying x is equal to m x2, that is 3 into minus 4, plus n, that is 2 into x1, that is 2 into 6, divided by m plus n, that is 3 plus 2, 5. In the same way, if you are talking about y, what will that be? Y is equal to m into y2, that is 3 into 5, plus you are having n into y1, that is 2 into 3, divided by m plus n, that is 3 plus 2, 5. Are you getting this or not? Everyone clear? Okay, if you solve this, your x will be coming out as what? Your x from here will be coming out as minus 12 plus 12 upon 5, and your y will be coming out as what? 15 plus 6 upon 5. This x will be what? It will be 0. And this y will be what? It will be 21 upon 5. So your point of division P will be 0, 21 upon 5. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? You got the point? All the students out there, guys, please respond. Everyone clear with this till here? Do you understand that or not? Everyone out there clear? Okay, so this is how you can find out the point of division P, which is having the coordinates x, y, where x is 0 and y is 21 upon 5. Clear? All of you got it, guys? Please respond, everyone, if you can hear me, if I am audible to all of you. Are you clear with this? Right? Let's talk about one more scenario over here. देखो इसी चीज में अगर मैं आपको ये बोलूं that if I simply take my m upon n as what? If I simply take my n upon n as k, तो ये जो रेशियो हो जाएगा, this ratio will become k is to 1, and ये जो फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा, that will be x is equal to m upon n x2 plus x1 divided by, you are having m upon n plus 1. I divided by n over here. This will be giving me what? Kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1. In the same way, when I'll be talking about y, that will be coming out as what? That will be ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. This is how you can talk about your points x and y in terms of k ratio. Okay, so basically the point to understand over here is what? The point to understand over here is that it depends on what kind of ratio you are assuming. If you say कि ratio आपका m is to n है, तो points will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Apart from that, if the ratio is k is to 1, in that case the point will be k x2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, and the point will be k y2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. So this is how you can talk about these two particular scenarios. Are you clear with this, everyone? All the students out there, guys, फटाफट से respond. Everyone got it till here? Do you understand that how we talked about this and what is this? Everyone clear? Okay, let's quickly take a question based on this so that we can get some clarity on this कि क्या हम लोग बोल रहे हैं. देखो question बड़ा आसान है. Question says that in what ratio the x-axis, in what ratio is the x-axis dividing the line segments which is joining the points 2, -3 and 5, 6. Okay, this is what you are having. You want to find out कि किस रेशियो में आपका जो x एक्सिस है वो आपका इस लाइन को क्या कर रहा है, इस लाइन को डिवाइड कर रहा है, एंड आपको फिर अपने पॉइंट जो है आपका पॉइंट ऑफ डिवीजन उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स भी फाइंड करना है. ओके, वेरी सिंपल. सबसे पहले मैंने मान लिया दैट इफ दिस इज माय पॉइंट, दिस इज A and this is B. If this is my AB line that I'm having over here, so this AB line is being divided at this point P in the ratio k is to 1. This is k is to 1. Now if I'm talking about this point P having the coordinates x comma y, I can say that x will be equal to what? You will be having what? 5k plus 2 upon k plus 1. And you will be having what? You will be having 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1. This is your y and this is your x that you are having over here. Now, if using this you want to find out what? If using this you want to find out your k का value, so because the point is lying on the x axis as well, यहाँ पे ये x axis है जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, this x axis is dividing, so because this is my x axis, so any point lying on the x axis will have what? x axis पे lie करने वाले हर एक point का y coordinate 0 होता है. And because y is 0, so now I'll be putting this y coordinate equal to 0. Let's do it. You are having 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1 equal to 0. This will give you 6k minus 3 equal to 0, which means 6k is equal to 3, which means k is what? K is nothing but 1 upon 2. Everyone clear, guys? The value of k came out as what? k का वैल्यू आया 1/2. जब k का वैल्यू 1/2 है तो रेशियो आ गया 1:2. दिस इज द रेशियो. एंड अब फाइंड कर सकते हैं x फाइंड करते हैं. सो x इज इक्वल टू 5/2 plus 2 upon 1/2 plus 1. That will be what? That will be 5 plus 4, 9/2 divided by 3/2, and that is going to be what? 2 and 2 gone, 9/3. 3 is the answer. तो पॉइंट P जो है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट आपके पास आ गए x comma y, that is 3 comma 0, and ratio आपके पास आ गया 1:2. This is the final answer that you are having with you. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? Okay, so this is how we can talk about all these kahanis. I hope you are clear with this, guys. Okay, that's all from my side for today's session. Thank you so much for being here. All of you guys can use my code SUYASHLIVE. आप सब मेरे कोड को SUYASHLIVE को यूज कर सकते हैं. And by using this code you can unlock all the free content. आप सारा free content जो है Unacademy पे वो unlock कर सकते हैं. All the free content that we have on Unacademy learning application, वो सारा free content आप unlock कर सकते हैं by using my code SUYASHLIVE. Okay, just select your class, use my code, and you will be able to access all the free content that you have on Unacademy using this code. Then you can learn seamlessly on Unacademy. You can find all my free classes on Unacademy as well. Baki, that's all from my side for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great day and see you all in the next class that we will be having next week. Okay, bye. Take care, all of you. Thank you, guys.